everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today I'm going to show you how you're able to make your videos super steady and smooth on your Galaxy S10 and the Note 10 series. So let's say that we head over into the mode of video, and let's say that right off the bat you headed over into your settings, and as you scroll down you notice that your video stabilization was turned on. Well, this doesn't really make it as steady as it's able to go. The setting that you want to turn on is going to be this little hand right there that is shaking, and once you turn it on and it's activated, you can see that it says super steady on. So what I'm going to do in this video is, now that you know this small quick setting, I'm going to show you 3 examples. First off, I'm going to show you a video of me running with the video stabilization turned off, then a video of me running the exact same route with the video stabilization on, and then the last small video of me running with super steady activated, and you will see a huge difference between each setting upgrade. So again, if you are shooting anything and you want it to be smooth, maybe you have shaky hands, make sure you turn on super steady and it's gonna come through flawless. So check this out. So I hope that you guys have liked this video and saw a huge upgrade going over into super steady. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left hand side. If you liked this video, then more than likely you're also going to like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I